In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft OneDrive error code 0x8004def7. Dealing with error codes can be frustrating, especially when you rely on OneDrive for storing and sharing your important files. But don't worry, we're here to help you get things back to normal. Let's walk through the process together step by step. First things first, we want to ensure that the issue isn't stemming from something simple. Start by checking your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for OneDrive to function properly. You can do this by opening a web browser and visiting any website. If the website loads without issues, then your internet connection is most likely not the problem. But if you're facing any connectivity issues, you might need to troubleshoot your internet connection before proceeding. Now, let's move on to making sure your OneDrive application is up to date. Sometimes, older versions can lead to compatibility issues that trigger error messages. You can usually update OneDrive by going to the Microsoft Store, or you can visit Microsoft's official website to download the latest version. Keeping software up to date is a great habit as it often includes fixes and improvements. Once updated, it's time to sign out and back into OneDrive. This might sound simple, but it's an effective way to reset any issues with the syncing process. Open your OneDrive and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, you can select the option to sign out. Give it a minute and then sign back in using your credentials. Ensure you enter your information correctly, as any discrepancies in your login details could result in further issues. Sometimes, the settings in OneDrive might cause problems that lead to error codes. It's a good idea to reset the OneDrive app itself. To do this, press the Windows key and the Alt key simultaneously to open the Run dialog. Type in localappdata Microsoft OneDrive onedrive.exe reset and hit Enter. This prompts OneDrive to reset. You may need to restart your PC after this step to ensure the reset takes full effect. Lastly, if you're still experiencing the error, consider checking the storage space. If your OneDrive or local storage is full, it could cause syncing problems. Ensure you have enough space available to handle all the files you want to upload. Manage your storage wisely, perhaps by moving files you no longer need to another location or deleting unnecessary data. There you have it. By following these straightforward but effective steps, you should be able to resolve the OneDrive error code 0x8004def7. Remember, technology is here to help us, not hinder us, and understanding how to troubleshoot common issues can save a lot of time and frustration. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.